Well, I missed a few seconds, but I think it's finished. Oh. I've been sneezing a lot today, but been watching the football. I had no time to record. Okay. I think it's finished. It's a short one, so what I will do, I'll add it onto another sneeze so it make the video a little bit longer. Bye. Oh, that hurt. Oh, this is a really deep one. It's really hurting my diaphragm. Oh, God. Keep forgetting my camera's on this side. There, see? So I really need to look that way. Is it finished? Been sneezing been sneezing over about a minute and 20 seconds or something. So I think it's finished. No, it's not. I can still feel the butterflies in my stomach. Oh. Tried holding that one. I think it's finished. No, it's not. Yeah, it's finished. Okay, folks, bye. Got it on time. 2 minutes, let me stop this video I'm watching. Oh. Alright, there's a camera. I think it's finished. Is it finished? It's finished. Bye, folks. I think it's finished. It's not finished, no. It's finished. That made me cry, that one. That made me cry, don't you see it? Okay, folks, bye. It's not finished. Okay. Is it finished? I think so. Bye, folks. It's so hot. Oh, it's 41 degrees C today. And it's now 20 to 1 in the morning, and it's still about 33. I'm sweating, so you can see it. Yeah, and I've got this on for the mosquitoes, so it's not helping. Keep forgetting, there's the camera, there. I think it's finished. You get the zzz because I'm trying to stop it. Oh dear. God, I'm sweating. Look at this. So warm here. Yeah, it's finished. Sniffle, sniffle, sneezing sniffler. Bye. Yeah, bye there. Oh. Oh. Where's the camera? There, there. Whatever. Oh. And it's now, I think, I'm not sure what time it is. It's now 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, and we got vacation. Yes, for 3 weeks. Oh, yeah. I'm just sitting here and I'm watching a YouTube video and I started sneezing. Oh, yeah. Trying to get used to these cameras with changing my camera position now. I need to look here. Yeah, here, I think I need to do here. I've still had time to do the video for the moon eclipse because it was nearly 5 GB log without editing. It's probably longer. The first 2 videos I looked at were nearly 5 GB in length. Yeah. Well, today's been a bit cooler, and it has been. The last few months, it's been about 20 degrees cooler. But as you can see, I'm still sitting in a t-shirt, so it's not that cold. Is my video finished? No, not as my video finished. As my sneezing finished is the question. This is the second video I recorded today, actually, I think. I think I've got another video that I made earlier. So maybe I'll put the two together. Yep, my sneezing's finished. Have a great summer all. Love you all. Bye.